Okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. So let's talk about Ethos. Now, what is Ethos? Ethos, they actually changed their name from Bitcoins to Ethos. So you'll be asking, okay, what is Ethos and what are they up to? What is their growth so far? And those are the many questions you might be asking and the rest of them. So the Ethos, what Ethos wants to do is make cryptocurrency easy and practical for business adoption and for everyone. Now, when you come into cryptocurrency, they tell you get a wallet from the blockchain or any mobile wallet. Then you go to an exchange. Then you talk about issues like the fiat gateway into the crypto world, which is you go through Coinbase, and then you have to have an exchange for this coin and exchange for this coin and the rest of them. You have to keep your keys. You have to secure this. You have to do this. You have to do that and the rest of them. So the process is long. Not only long, it's cryptocurrency. The way it was originally designed, it was designed good, but it was the consumer was not put at the hand. So meaning that it was not made easy for people to actually access. Like you have something like the iPhone or the Apple computers. They make this product so easy that even a 5-year-old can actually use this device. So it is not like what the founder of 10S actually said. It is not the best technology that will win. Yeah, it's very good to have a very good product, but is it easy relatively enough for people to use that product? So what Ethos is trying to do is make cryptocurrency easy and then practical for customers and then business and for everyone. So the mission, as you can see from the white paper, the mission is to democratize cryptocurrency by enabling a safe and secure investment ecosystem that is covering crypto and traditional assets. And not only that, to eliminate the costly and the harmful frictions. You have to send your maybe you buy Bitcoin from Coinbase, you have to send it to your wallet, and then maybe you made the mistake, your cryptocurrency is gone. No, what Ethos wants to do is, just like you send an email to a friend of yours, that is what Ethos wants to do. Make cryptocurrencies easy to use. Well, we cannot really blame the people who actually designed cryptocurrency from the onset. Everything has there's an evolution with time. There's an evolution with time. That's one of the things I believe. So what Ethos wants to do, we want to make it very, very easy to use. So Ethos has some features, as in some components. One of the components has to do with the universal wallet. So the universal wallet means you can manage any type of cryptocurrency. There will be no need for these things like keys and the rest of them. Ethos have their own smart keys. It makes it so easy that just like you have a website that everybody can navigate through this stuff, why not? And this is the front end. And then you're talking about the back end. It may be complex. Now, what cryptocurrency is today now, or the majority of them it's like this. You have to be very tech savvy to be able to use something like this. This is how cryptocurrency is. What Ethos wants to make cryptocurrency look like makes it so easy. With the push of a button, you can register. With the push of a button, you can buy cryptocurrencies, and you can actually integrate cryptocurrency into your business. And then the other component has to do with the fiat and then the diversification. So what Ethos wants to do, with the push of a button, you can spread your risk by diversifying how much you have into different cryptocurrencies. And not only that, they want to make it so easy to purchase, so easy for you to sell, so easy for you to do anything with cryptocurrency. And then they want to use the power of the community. One of the reasons why cryptocurrency is very, very good is in the sense that there is much community around it. Now, if you compare the blockchain and the internet, though the internet is helping the blockchain in terms of communication and the rest of them. Now, unlike the internet, there were not many people who had access to computers or phones or whatsoever. But in our age now, everybody has access. Nearly everybody have access to the internet. Everybody has a smartphone. So what Ethos wants to do, it wants to bring a community of people who will maybe bring some suggestions and or some other predictions or whatsoever, and these people could also get rewarded. And also the low cost when it comes to transactions and the rest of them. It's time saving, and then professional services. They talk about the social and the community. This is when the community comes together with shared principles and some other stuffs. Okay, what the token is: be a payment mechanism for accessing and using services on Ethos platform, pay for transaction fees and calls, enable liquidity with help with changes in user allocations. Now, I actually read the article that Ethos actually, the fund actually wrote. Now, the article says that if Ethereum is the oil and Bitcoin is the gold, then Ethos is the fuel. And since Ethos ran their ICO, Ethos has been doing pretty well. So why will Ethos be a cryptocurrency that will succeed? Ethos will succeed because let me show you something in a white paper. There is a place for the comparison. Okay, so now you can see the comparison of Ethos and then every other platform: Ethos, Case, UberPay, Mist, Exodus, Trezor, Coinbase, Nano Ledger, and then MySaber. Bitcoin, okay, Ethos, all of them have Bitcoin. Then asset allocation, Ethos have it. Mobile support, Ethos have it. Fund transfer, Ethos have it. Code storage, Ethos have it. And then you can see all the other support. ERC 20 tokens, Ethos supports those stuff. So when you have Ethos, meaning you don't need to use most other platforms. So let's discuss something about Ethos that I actually like so much. When it comes to cryptocurrency, maybe you might not have that experience, but the issue of you have a problem with cryptocurrency, and not many of them have very good mobile support. But what Ethos wants to do, it wants to make it easy for people, because you can't, no matter how good the technology is, you can't tell people that this thing is just autonomous per se, in the sense that there is nobody to call to. No, they have to be someone who people can relate their pains with, because except there are people who will be using the cryptocurrencies or the Bitcoin stuff are not humans, except they are machines or computers. If they are humans need someone not to guide them throughout all the way, but someone to help them with certain things. That is what Ethos actually want to do. And I really like Ethos because all these features, it helps you with task report, dynamic predictions, and a lot of stuff. So guys, let me know what you think about Ethos, the platform Ethos, and let me see if you're actually very keen on Ethos. Let me see if you have some Ethos, and guys, do have a very good day. Bye.